afternoon even. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. And we are going to Alba swimming. So, yes. Buhay na naman ang Disney princess nyo, guys. Let's go. Get ready. So, ready. Anyway, ready na kami. Hindi get ready pala. So, ready na kami. Paalis na lang, guys. So, eto. Ang bag ni Alba. So, super, ngayon, guys, mainit. 20 degrees, pero mainit na dito yun, guys. Considering na spring pa lang. So, ignore the mess at the back kasi marami talaga akong linisin. Lagyan ko lang tubig sa Alba, guys. Gutom ako, guys. Pero kasi, after swimming, kami, Glasgow kasama si Mami tsaka si Eden. So, doon na lang kami kakain ng lunch. Pero, gutom ako.
Wait, there's no ice tea too.
Dirty yan, dirty.
11.
10:55. Kain lang ako saglit, guys. Guys, paalis na kami. Drive na. Punta na kami sa swimming ni Alba. Ay, ang ganda ng araw, guys. Yes.
Show the guys like on your shoes.
Tell the guys, okay. We'll show the guys later when we come back from swimming.
Not from Swamp Park.
So,
What?
ang ganda-ganda, guys, ng araw. Tingnan mo naman, guys. Blue skies.
Mama, I like banana. But not apple. There's only banana and apple. And orange. Why is the bright vine there? Juice.
Juice, you don't want chocolate milkshake? Huh?
No.
Okay, so you want juice. Okay, that's fine. McDonald's, yeah? You want burger or chicken nuggets? Chicken nuggets, okay.
Barbecue sauce.
Hello, guys! Kami ay tapos na sa swimming ni Alba. He done really well, didn't you? We are going to McDonald's, guys, to get Alba's Happy Meal. Ako, guys, di ba kumain ako bago umalis? Okay na ako dun. Pampatawid gutom. Until dinner time na. Glowing natin today. Ang ganda talaga pagka maaraw, guys. Grabe ang glow. Sun-kissed. Oh. Let's get some Happy Meal, Happy Meal, Happy Meal. Kuha din ako ng Coke, guys. Napakainit. Grabe.
But look, Mama, that is something. Look. Look. Are you not today?
Sorry?
Are you not today?
No.
That's fine. What can I get for you?
Can I get the Happy Meal chicken nuggets, please?
Yeah, and the drink.
Can I get the blackcurrant fruit shoot?
Anything else?
Can I get barbecue sauce with that?
Anything else?
And can I get a medium Coke, please?
Yep, anything else?
That's everything.
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you.
Thank you. Sarap mag-beach, guys. Kung pwede lang, kung maaga-aga lang kami at walang lesson si Alba ng 11:30. Ang aga, nag-beach hunt siguro kami. Kaso wala eh. Mamaya pa pala kami mag-Glasgow din guys, mga 7 pa ng, mga 3 pa ng hapon. So ano pa lang, 12:30. Akala ko mag-Glasgow kami after ng school ni Aiden, pero mamaya pa daw 3. Para diretso na rin din kami sa football ni Aiden sa Glasgow later. Pero I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear the same kasi jumpsuit, play suit ang tawag sa ganito, pero pa short kasi siya guys. So I'm not sure kung later mainit pa din or super lamig na. Hindi naman super, pero baka malamig na yung hangin. Kasi even up to now, lamig pa din ang hangin. Si Mami yung nasa likod ko. Para sa Osmo kasi wala ang hirap i-connect, ang hirap i-mount nito. Ginagamit ko lang yung magnetic ko para ma-mount kayo guys. And also I don't wear glasses as you can see kahit na ganun ka-araw kasi ayoko ng madilim. I hate driving kapag madilim guys, kaya hindi ako sanay nang nagsasunglass kahit na sobrang tirik ng araw. Siguro if ever magsasunglass ako is para lang yung pag hindi ko na talaga makita yung daan. Pero so far, nakakaya pa naman.
Cynthia, I just saw her.
But you're not gonna drink your juice until you eat your nuggets.
I'll drink a little back.
Home, guys!
Wait, is that sauna?
I don't know.
Let's hear.
Bring it in the garden. Like, bring your crops because you're going out in the garden.
Why?
I'm gonna hang clothes.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Uwi na guys! And nakapagsampay na ako. Grabe, ang init talaga. Parang bukang bibig ko na lang sa vlog na to, ang init. So ayun, nakapagsampay na ako. Now it's time to tupi. Si Mami, nasimulan na niya yung tupiin ko nung kahapon ng umaga. Kasi nandito siya kahapon ng umaga. So, umpisahan na niya yung mga tupiin ko nandun sa gilid, guys. Ayan. And may dalawang bucket pa ako para tupiin. So, yun. Tapos yung flash yung nakasampay pa sa labas. Parang feeling ko, magtutubi ba ako ngayon? Or pagmamaya ako na lang gabi pagka tuyo na silang lahat. So, grabe. Anyway, ang haba na nung ano ko guys, ng buhok ko. Tignan mo, puro itim na yun dito sa roots. So, gusto kong pa kulay nung sa roots. Pero, hindi pa sa ngayon kasi kailangan kasi guys, may oras talaga ako eh. Kailangan siguro pag naka-annual leave ako. Kasi ang tagal isang araw, nauubos sa araw ko. So, ayun. Yun. Ito Coke, guys. Ay, nako. Parang ang tagal kong hindi nakapag-vlog, guys, ng ganito. Yung parang daily life. Kasi, di ba galing kami sa Blackpool, tapos parang, hindi ko alam kung ano yung ganap ko ng mga nakaraang weekend. Parang wala masyado. So, ito na lang uli, yung ginanap ko. So, parang last week lang kami nag-back to routine. Hindi na masyado nag-vlog last week, guys. Tinry ko nga pala yung new lashes, guys. Tignan nyo. Kita ba? So, lash. Kasi normally ang gamit ko yung wispy style. Pero ito, this time is natural lash lang siya. And maliliit lang siya, guys. Yung parang, diba? Parang pang natural lang talaga siya. Bongga. So, ayun. Ay, nako. Ano pang baganap natin? Wala na tayong ganap. Bukod sa maglinis, guys. Kasi this is yung, basically first day off ko. Kasi kahapon, grabe talaga yung pagod ko. Di ba? So, ayun. Pero hindi ko na talaga siya kinaya, guys. Talagang hindi, napagod talaga ako. Kasi 1 hour lang nap ko na eh. Tapos, nung pagka-uwi, nagnap ako ng siguro 30 minutes bago ko magsundo kay Alba. Tapos, grabe talaga, after dinner, wala din kasi kung coffee kahapon. Siguro kung nag-coffee ako, nakalast ako ng hanggang bedtime. Si Alba, nag-bed na din siya kasabay ko ng mga bandang 7 o'clock ng gabi. Natulog kami, guys. Hanggang nagising ako nung nakauwi si David ng mga 10:30. And then, ayun, diretso tulog hanggang 6:30 kanina umaga. Tapos, paano-ano lang ako. Stay ako ng bed. Sinasakit ng likod ko, guys. Pag ang tagal kong nasa bed, sumasakit likod ko.